In this lesson, we'll cover the format of the SHSAT.
Alright, so let's go over the basic format of the test. So the test itself is 180 minutes, and you could use those minutes in any way you like. So there are two main sections, the ELA section and the math section. They're not individually timed. So you could spend 100 minutes here and 80 minutes here, 10 minutes, 170, however you decide to split up your time. In the ELA section, there are going to be 20 revising or editing questions, 5 to 8 standalone questions, and 2 passages with 6 to 8 questions each. So this whole thing has to do with grammar. And then there are 6 reading passages with 5 to 7 questions each, and this too is here because there could be some changes in the future. And all of these questions are multiple choice. These questions have to do with reading comprehension. Alright, then there's the math section. The math section will be a total of 57 questions. There are going to be 5 grid-in questions, which we'll get to, and then also 52 multiple choice word problems and computational questions. So some things to note about this test is that all of the multiple choice questions will only have 4 answer choices. On previous tests they had 5, but going forward there's only 4 answer choices. All passages will be non-fiction. Then starting in 2018, literary passages and persuasive passages could be included on the test. Now, out of the questions that are taken, there are going to be some embedded field test passages and items will be interspersed throughout the relevant sections of the test. Okay, what does that mean? What are field test passages and items? So these mean that they don't count. What the test makers are doing is actually just testing out different types of questions. This was very common on SAT. There was a whole section on the SAT that was a field test. Okay, but the thing is with these field test questions is that they're not marked as field test questions. So that means when you're taking a test, you have to treat every question as if it's a real question, because there's no way to know which ones are field test questions and which ones aren't. Students will not be able to determine which questions are the field test questions. So in that case, when taking a test, don't even think about the fact that there are field test passages or questions. Just take the test as you normally would, as if every question counts.